Cigarette smoking can harm our entire body. However, it causes more damage to our lungs than any other part of our body. Inside our lungs, there are millions of air sacs called alveoli. When we inhale air, the oxygen from the air in our alveoli enters our bloodstream. When we exhale, carbon dioxide from our blood can enter our alveoli and is then removed from the body. The airways in our lungs that allow air to enter and exit the alveoli are known as bronchi. The lining of these bronchi contains mucus-producing cells, which secrete mucus. As a result, when we breathe, dust particles and microorganisms from the air become trapped in the mucus. Furthermore, there are hair-like structures called cilia found in the bronchial cells that move in a specific direction. This movement helps push the mucus upwards, allowing dust particles and germs attached to the mucus to be expelled from the body. When this mucus gets close to the trachea, we cough it up. However, when we smoke, we inhale around 700 harmful chemicals. These chemicals affect our entire body by entering our bloodstream, causing significant damage to our lungs. The side effects of smoking occur gradually. For instance, smoking introduces a brown to black-colored harmful substance called tar into our lungs. This sticky substance causes inflammation in our bronchi and alveoli, leading to the accumulation of immune cells in our alveoli. Unfortunately, these immune cells end up damaging the alveoli walls due to the inflammatory response. As a result, the elasticity of the alveoli is reduced, leading to a condition called emphysema. Due to emphysema, the efficient exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide cannot occur in the alveoli, resulting in smokers experiencing fatigue, shortness of breath, wheezing, and suffocation. Furthermore, smoking harms the cilia in the bronchi, making it difficult for the mucus formed in the bronchi to be expelled. This leads to smokers feeling a heavy chest, a condition known as chronic bronchitis. Chronic bronchitis is characterized by frequent coughing, but the mucus cannot be effectively removed from the lungs. These two conditions, emphysema and chronic bronchitis, often coexist in cigarette smokers and are collectively known as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. Additionally, smoking is a major cause of lung cancer, responsible for 90% of all cases. Smoking also worsens conditions like asthma. According to a survey, smoking is responsible for 1 out of every 5 deaths worldwide. Hence, smoking should be quit. While the consequences of smoking on our lungs are mostly irreversible, quitting smoking can still help us restore 20 to 30% of our lung capacity.